You know, it's always worth seeking out further advice when researching your family history. As a professional genealogist, I learn day in, day out. I never stop learning, and you should do the same. There's plenty of sources of advice and information and people out there to help you build up your knowledge of your ancestors and the context in which they lived, the documents that are available, the records that are available. Look at the Who Do You Think You Are TV programme, which is currently on in the UK and will be coming up shortly if it's not currently on. So relevant TV programmes, historical TV programmes, I go through the schedules and have a look out for those to keep myself entertained but also up to date on background history. It adds context to my ancestors' lives. There's been a very good programme on the UK recently in the last few years about a family moving back in time and living life as it was, eating food as it was, taking entertainment as it was in past times. And this gives me a great insight into my ancestors' lives. Do keep yourself up to date. Do keep your continuing professional development up to date and keep learning. It's a lifelong process. It's a vast subject. You never stop learning in this game.